Finding the perfect shop vac can make all the difference in your cleaning routine, whether you're tackling heavy-duty tasks or just need a reliable tool for everyday messes. From powerful suction to versatile attachments, the best shop vacs offer efficiency, durability, and ease of use. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best shop vacs and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. RYOBI ONE Plus 18 Volt Cordless 1 Gallon. You already know our experts are big fans of RYOBI's ONE Plus platform, and the brand's more portable mini shop vac is no exception. It runs on the same 18-volt battery as the other products, so you don't have to purchase and store another battery. It does have a small 1-pound capacity and limited airflow, 45 CFM. But our experts say it's a handy addition for smaller cleaning jobs like cleaning your car's floor mats or occasional hobbyist DIY projects. On the upside, the battery runtime is longer than we see with more powerful models. Plus, the integrated tool storage on the 6.5-pound housing makes it extremely easy to carry the vac from room to room. Not to mention, it's cordless for improved maneuverability. Number 4. Craftsman 16-gallon shop vac. If you need a machine that can handle some hefty tasks, this large capacity pick from Craftsman may just be your new best friend. With its 6.5 horsepower motor and 16-gallon tank, this electric-corded Craftsman shop vac can do a whole lot. It saved me during a flood that otherwise could have led to catastrophic damage to my basement, says one tester who evaluated the machine at her home over the course of 6 months. Whether you're pumping water or vacuuming dry debris, our experts found that this model delivers impressive dry and wet vacuuming, aided by its flexible hose. Thanks to a built-in blower port, you can easily take it outside to clear small piles of leaves and grass clippings from the garage or driveway. Other convenience features include onboard organizers for the hose, accessories, and power cord, as well as an oversized drain plug, essential when sucking up large spills. Just note that it does take up a lot of storage space. Number 3. Ridgid 12-gallon shop vac. DIY enthusiasts should definitely check out the Ridgid 12-gallon shop vac, designed for everyday users rather than commercial-grade applications. This powerful tool boasts a robust 5-horsepower motor that provides an impressive air movement rate of 144 cubic feet per minute, which is double the capacity of many other shop vacs on the market. Trusted by professionals, Ridgid has established a reputation for crafting durable tools, and our positive experiences with their cordless vacs and drills support this. Despite having a relatively short 15-foot power cord, the vac features a comfortable grip handle and 360-degree casters for great maneuverability around the workspace. In addition to its vacuum capabilities, this versatile tool can easily convert into a blower, making it suitable for clearing small piles of leaves or removing sawdust from work surfaces. Another standout feature is Ridgid's patented sound reduction technology, which optimizes airflow for quieter operation, allowing users to work without excessive noise distractions. Overall, this shop vac blends powerful performance with user-friendliness, making it an excellent choice for both DIY projects and daily cleanup tasks. Number 2. RYOBI 40 Fi 10-gallon shop vac. RYOBI's 10-gallon shop vac had no trouble acing our tough tests, from cleaning up 2 gallons of water in under 10 seconds to picking up dry debris. It was very good at sucking up spilled water from our test surface thanks to the squeegee on the wet vac attachment, which left the surface completely dry, said Alex Sharma, a test engineer at the Good Housekeeping Institute. It's cordless, so you can use it in places where you may not have access to a wall outlet, and it features a collapsible handle, quick-release latches, onboard storage spaces for accessories, and more. Our experts have now tested several products from RYOBI's 40-volt line of battery-powered products, from leaf blowers and leaf vacuums to lawnmowers, and we've been consistently impressed with their performance. This RYOBI comes loaded with features and accessories like dual extension wands, a wet filter, and a drain plug, which makes it easy to empty the tank, especially when it reaches the 10-gallon capacity. The cordless battery-powered design is a big convenience, particularly since it's a bulky machine, though the lid is a bit tricky to take on and off. Finally, we found the RYOBI to be quieter than the other shop vacs we tested, even at its higher speed. Number 1. DeWalt 10-gallon Shop Vac. This 10-gallon Shop Vac from DeWalt is tried and trusted. This brand is a big hit with our experts due to its solid performance and reliability throughout years of testing. Its cordless drill and circular saw also make our recommended lists. The Shop Vac offers both powerful and effective cleaning. Carolyn Forte, Executive Director of the GH Institute Cleaning Lab, put this electric corded model through its paces during an extended at-home test. The machine performed superbly across the board, showing serious suction power thanks to its 5.5 horsepower motor and extra-wide 10-inch nozzle. There was no scattering or snowplowing of debris during repeated dry tests, Forte said, which involved vacuuming up oatmeal and baking soda. I was impressed. We also found that the Shop Vac is very easy to operate, which is great for those who might not have as much experience with this type of machine. The 360-degree wheels roll smoothly, the lid is easy to put on and take off, and an onboard accessory pouch keeps tools and attachments in order. The cord is a bit of a nuisance, but at 20 feet long it provides good range, and the machine's handle doubles as a cord wrap for tidy storage. Like all electric Shop Vacs, you definitely hear the DeWalt when it's running at full tilt. But it's not as high-pitched or irritating as other models we've tested, says Forte. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.